Hi there, I'm Jan from Copperpenny Distilling. I'm one of the co-founders here, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about gin. I'm making some really easy cocktails. This is our Provence Gin and Tonic. We call this a Spanish-style G&T because it's kind of fun, sexy, it's easy to make, you throw a bunch of fruit in it, it's an instant hit at any party. It actually only has 3 ingredients. First thing that I'm gonna do, grab a little bit of ice, fill this nice wine goblet up. Then I'm gonna grab our flagship gin number 5. This is cocktail gin. Works great in almost any cocktail because of its versatility. It's really approachable. Got an 1.5 ounces of this. This is our Provence syrup. So this is actually lavender and grapefruit with cane sugar. We make this because we want something that's really easy for people to use in a cocktail that don't want to spend a tremendous amount of money buying all sorts of different spirits and fresh fruit and having to work for an hour before you can make a good cocktail. So we've done all the hard work for you here. Simple 3/4 ounce of this syrup into your gin and ice. Give it a quick stir. Then we use a good quality tonic. We use Fever Treeks. It balances nicely with our spirits. Top it up to your liking. This is a low ABV drink because it's got a high volume, which makes it nice to sip on the patio. And then you can garnish it. We use a dried grapefruit and a little sprig of lavender. You've got a beautiful patio Spanish G&T from Copperpenny.